Hello friends, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today we'll learn the very useful phrase got it. You hear it in movies, TV shows, and daily conversations. Let's find out what it really means and how to use it. Learn the meaning, usage, and pronunciation of the phrase got it in English with simple Urdu and Hindi translation. Meaning of got it. 1. I understand samajh gaya, gayi. 2. I know what to do. 3. I received it. Common uses. 1. To say you understand. Please bring your passport tomorrow. B. Got it. 2. To confirm instructions. Turn left at the signal. B. Got it. 3. To mean you received something. I sent you the file. B. Yes, got it. Pronunciation tips. Practice slowly at first. Got it. Native speakers say got it quickly, sounding like gotta or gorit. Wrap up. Now you got it. Use this phrase today in your conversations. Like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.